What it is, man? This your boy Not a Nation, but y'all already know what's going on. Like, share, subscribe, but you already seen the name of the title, whatever it is at. Anyway, we finna get some fire going on, you feel? We finna get some action going on. I've been waiting on this for a long time. I can't lie, but I done had the pack for about 3 weeks now. And I'm just not finna put it on. This shit finna be too 5 pounds. And I ain't got no kicks. I'm completely straight pipe, so nothing but gasoline coming out this bitch. Let me stop it too early for that shit. But hey, I'm gonna get back with y'all when we at the shop. When we done. I don't know. I'll see. Shout out to the man Coin for bringing me back to my scat. But they said they ain't done yet, but they almost done. Flame kit, this shit finna go wild. Oh, it look like you done. Oh. Well, you hit. You see what's going on. Scat, big scat. Ran the wires through yet?
Oh yeah. 99%
99% done. Let's go. Is it? Will I be able to do it on the freeway?
Oh yeah. I mean, you can do it anytime the engine's running.
All right, got it.
As
So
long as you can,
you gotta show me how to do it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh my goodness. This man done really did it, man. He done really did it, man. He really got me right, man. I ain't got no cats, no mufflers, no resonator, no nothing. Fully straight pipe. With a flame kit. Huh? Alright. Oh. Oh yeah. Oh. Oh. Oh, yeah. Hey. Bro, they come out to like right here. Yes. I cannot wait to get on the road. Oh, I cannot wait.
this shit is dope.
That's finna be right. That's finna be too right. Quick. Nah, here you go. It's all right.